Hey everybody, Rob Berger from allcards.com. Today I'm going to look at the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. I'm going to compare it to the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. These are two of the best known travel reward credit cards. I've carried the Reserve, Chase Sapphire Reserve, since it first came out. It's come up today because Chase has just increased the sign-up bonus for both cards. So I want to talk about that. They do this periodically, and frankly, the offers get crazy big as they are right now. And so I'm going to walk through 5 key differences between the Chase Sapphire Reserve card and the Chase Sapphire Preferred card so that you can figure out which one would be best for you. I will tell you that these are cards that require good to excellent credit. Chase doesn't disclose any sort of threshold FICO credit score that's required to qualify. Their underwriting process factors in a lot more than just the credit score. But as a general rule, you want to think of having a FICO score of, say, 700 or higher to have, real chance of getting approved for one of these cards. So with that in mind, let's jump into the 5 key differences. I want to start with the sign-up bonus. So here you're looking at an article. I'll leave a link to this below the video. This is an article on allcards.com where I track sign-up bonuses. I'm actually adding to it now, so by the time you see this, there'll be actually several more cards on this page. But I want to focus first on the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. You see they're now giving away 80,000 points. Now that does require a spend. All of these require a spend. If we come down here, we can see the details. You need to spend $4,000 in purchases on the card in the first 3 months to qualify for the 80,000 Chase Ultimate Reward points. So that is a not insignificant spend. You want to make sure you can hit that if you're going to get this card. But if you do, the 80,000 points are worth $1,000 when you redeem them for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. And that is one of the largest sign-up bonuses available today, and frankly, that you will find anywhere. Now, that raises a question. If you're new to Chase Sapphire cards, you say, well, why are 80,000 points worth $1,000 in travel? It's because when you have the Preferred card and you redeem points for travel, you get a 25% bonus. So the 80,000 points, when you add in the 25% bonus, are worth $1,000 in travel. Now let's jump back up here for a second and look at the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. You'll notice it's 60,000 points, not 80, but those are worth $900, not $1,000. That raises the question, well, wait a minute, how do we go from 60,000 points to $900? Well, the answer is, with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the bonus you get for using the points for travel through Chase is 50%. So it's a higher bonus percentage than the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and that's how 60,000 points translates into $900 worth of travel when redeemed through Chase. As with the Preferred card, in order to get those points, you need to, again, spend $4,000 on the card in the first 3 months. Now, huge sign-up bonuses, but I'm always a big believer whenever you're going for cards, for rewards. Yes, the sign-up bonus matters, but you want to look beyond just the sign-up bonus. And so I want to run through 4 other key differences between these two cards. The first is, as I mentioned, the bonus you get when you use the points for travel through Chase. With the Preferred, it's 25%. With the Reserve, it's 50%. That doesn't apply just to the sign-up bonus. That also applies to all future rewards. So obviously, the Reserve has a higher bonus than the Preferred, and so it's much more attractive, particularly if you travel a lot. Now, at this point, it might seem like a no-brainer. Why not go for, the 50% bonus? Why settle for 25%? Well, as you might imagine, when the bonuses are higher, so are the annual fees. And that gets us to the third difference between these two cards. And I think for some, the most significant, that's the annual fee. For the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, it's $550, which is a big spend. And for Chase Sapphire Preferred, it's only $95. A huge difference. And frankly, it's that difference that causes, I think, most people to choose the Preferred over the Reserve. In my experience, having written about credit cards now for more than a decade and followed Chase and carried their cards, I can tell you the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is a far more popular card than the Chase Sapphire Reserve. That doesn't mean it's necessarily the best, that usually comes down to how frequently you travel. If you're a big time traveler, you travel a lot, you spend a lot on travel, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card is going to pay for itself, even given the big $550 annual fee. You might say, well, how is that, particularly when the sign-up bonus is less? Well, that gets us to the fourth and fifth things we need to look at in comparing the two cards. Number 4 is the ongoing rewards. I'll go back to the screen again. You can see with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you get 3x points on travel and on dining at restaurants. If we go back up to the Preferred, it's the same thing in terms of categories, but it's 2x points. So obviously with Reserve, you're paying a lot more money for the card, but you're getting 3x points in these categories rather than 2x points. The other thing, and this is our fifth comparison, it kind of takes the sting out of the $550 annual fee for the Reserve, is some credits that you get. You can see right here, you get a $300 annual travel credit. And as you notice, through the end of 2021, you can actually use that at gas stations and grocery stores as well. But the way that works is when you charge travel to your card and you haven't used the $300 credit yet, it'll automatically apply that credit to your account and it wipes out the charges automatically. That's the first thing. The other thing you get that you can see down here is you get a $100 application fee credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. And so, if you use these features, that takes a big sting out of the $550 annual fee. And frankly, it's for that reason that I've continued to carry the card. Having said that, again, Preferred is still the most popular option, I think because it fits those folks who travel but don't travel all of the time. They like the $95 annual fee. It has obviously a huge sign-up bonus, and the 2x for travel is still an excellent feature, and you still get the 25% bonus. Now, before we end this video, one other thing. You can also earn Chase Ultimate Rewards from other Chase credit cards, for example, Chase Freedom Unlimited and Chase Freedom Flex. And these are great options to supplement the Chase Sapphire cards. And here's the thing to keep in mind. If you earn Chase Ultimate Rewards from these other cards, which don't offer bonuses when you redeem for travel through Chase, you can transfer those rewards to your Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve cards. And then when you redeem for travel through Chase, you do earn the bonus. So a lot of folks will pair up the Chase Sapphire, either Preferred or Reserve card, with other Chase cards and transfer the points to the Sapphire card when they're ready to redeem them for travel. That's a great strategy to get the most out of your points. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll do everything I can to help you out. Thanks for watching.